All right, getting ready to put in a helicoil in that hole right there. As you can see, the threads are pretty beat up. So let's get to that. This is the other repair we just did. Putting in the aluminum insert, got out the old broken bolt, and looks pretty good. So if you look from underneath, this is what it looks like underneath. Looks good. All right, got it indicated in right on the hole, and looking pretty good. Ready to just bring it home in Y, just a touch more in Y, and then we should be good. Two and a half thou. Call that good. All right, so here's the standard set. Here's metric, so it's 6 by 1. That's what I need. So I'll start with this drill. We'll tap that hole, then put in the helicoil using this tool and break off the little tang. Let's do it. Got the drill in, got a little bit of cutting oil on it, ready to go. Got the tap loaded up in the tap handle, put a little bit of cutting oil on it, a little bit of tap magic, and also got the Brown and Sharp tap center loaded up. Let's get this thing, excuse my neighbors doing some chainsawing. All right, it's hard to do this holding a camera. Put a little pressure on it, and then we're ready to go. All right, here we go. Cutting nice and easy. Feels good, looks straight. Cutting very nice. Okay. Let's have a look. Looks really good. All right, grab a key insert. I said grab a key insert, I meant a helicoil. Used to putting key inserts in tooling. All right, so here's my little helicoil. Here's my little installer tool, which grabs on to the little tang there. See, it pushes on. That allows us to drive this down in. So I'm gonna move out of location because I need the clearance for my tool. So we're gonna move the whole table away just a little bit. Let's see how this baby goes in there. You know, I don't wanna start cross-threading this, so gotta make sure it goes. It was a little tight, it's kinda weird. But it's okay. Rather it a little bit tight than completely loose. Yeah, it's going well. All right, sending that home. And I definitely want to go to where just a little bit below the surface. So as you can see, I'm gonna take the tool out. Get the tool out. It is just below the surface, so there's nothing sticking up, nothing proud. and it'll break off that tang. So if you look down in there, you can see that little metal tang that we need to break off. So that's what we'll do now. Just break that little thing off. Not sure I can just do it. Yep, there it goes. And that little guy's gone. And that is now set. So if I grab a bolt, should be able to get it started in there, and we should be successful. Very nice. Ta-da! Looks good. Wonderful. Okay, it's clean. Clean. This wheel is fully repaired. All right, here's the moment of truth. We'll see if everything lines up. So I'm gonna throw this up here and then put the bolts in and see if we're actually good to go. Theoretically, we are, but I need to throw in a couple bolts. All right, that's the new hole location. I just put the helicoil in. This is the repaired location where I had to put the aluminum plug in. Awesome, that feels good. It's good. And we'll do one more. Even though I've got 3 and that really should tell me, I'll do a 4th just to make sure. And that starts perfect. So I'm super pumped about that. All right, every single bolt starts well, easy, straight, and lines up. So I'm happy with that. That looks good. It's gonna work well. Saved my dad a lot of money. Can't be mad about that. Well guys, that's it. Got it fixed. Hope it was helpful. Hope you liked it. Thanks for hanging out with me today. And comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.